In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use one ClickUp form across multiple lists. This skill can truly enhance your workflow, making task management more seamless and efficient. So let's dive in and explore how you can master this feature within ClickUp. First, head over to your ClickUp dashboard and log into your account. Once you're there, you'll find a range of projects displayed on your main screen. Choose any project that you'd like to work with for this demonstration. Remember, the beauty of ClickUp is in its versatility, so feel free to select any project as this can be applied across various contexts. After selecting your project, focus on accessing a task within it. Any task will do, as you'll notice this feature works uniformly across the platform. Now, open up your chosen task. You should notice that ClickUp provides a detailed overview of the task, with many options to customize and tailor to your specific needs. Scroll down within the task view, and your attention should be drawn to the section labeled Checklists. ClickUp's checklist feature is incredibly useful for breaking down tasks into smaller, easily manageable parts. Here, you can add multiple checklists to a single task. This offers the flexibility to categorize different aspects or stages of your task, making it clearer and more structured. To add a new checklist, simply look for the option to create one. Enter the title of your checklist, ensuring it aligns with the aspects you wish to address in this particular task. As you build your checklist, think about the sequential steps or components that need to be addressed. This way, you'll know exactly what to focus on and in what order. Once you've created your checklist, populate it with items relevant to your task. This could be individual steps, subtasks, or reminders. Each item allows you to track your progress, and there's nothing quite as satisfying as checking off each item as it's completed. ClickUp allows you to set up even further customization within your checklists, such as assigning different people to specific items, setting due dates, or adding additional notes. This enhances accountability and ensures everyone involved is on the same page. Feel free to explore these options as they can significantly improve team collaboration and personal efficiency. By integrating checklists into your tasks and utilizing them across multiple lists, you create a cohesive and synchronized workflow. This holistic approach saves time and minimizes confusion, especially if you juggle multiple projects or tasks simultaneously. And there you have it. You've now learned how to effectively use one ClickUp form across multiple lists, leading to a more organized and productive workflow. Thanks for joining me today. Be sure to practice this on your own ClickUp projects, and you'll soon find yourself navigating tasks with greater ease and precision. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on optimizing your project management skills.